What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.02737, up almost 5% on the day, moving against Bitcoin. See, market cap 720 million, 24-hour volume 205 million. Let's hop into the chart. So we have divergences on the daily, on the 4-hour. As you can see, Bitcoin is starting to see pullback. As you can see, we're down 1.3 on Bitcoin. Gala's still holding pretty decently strong. So we could see the pullback, but as of right now, we have buying pressure. But we have bearish divergence 4-hour. You look at the daily chart, bearish divergence. We're just about to hit our take profit 2 on our trade. So currently we're up on that trade 99%. Absolutely insane. Signal was given in the Discord for $10 a month. We're currently in a trade for XRP as well. Recently gave a signal there. So it could go either way. The fact that Gala is holding up while Bitcoin is pulling back obviously shows buying pressure. But if Bitcoin pulls back hard enough, then I think Gala will put in that wave 2. But if we continue to just push up out of this ascending triangle and we just push straight up and this wave 1 to the upside is not finished yet, we could push up to 0.0293 or 0.0325. It's perfectly okay with me because we're already in a trade, so we can push right up to TP3. I'd be happy with that. That's the next major resistance. If we were to break this resistance of 0.020, then you could push all the way up to 0.0327. Just personally, I wouldn't go long right now, but that's my own trading style. I always buy in on the pullback. I don't buy in when it's pushing higher. I don't go long. But of course, you know, take that with a grain of salt. You do you. Everybody trades differently. But personally, I'll look to wait for that pullback to enter once again. I'll let this trade that we're currently in continue to ride. I mean, we're holding the 20 EMA. We're pushing up into resistance. We have divergence. So we just have to wait and see how it plays out. The fact that we're holding up while Bitcoin is pulling back obviously shows strength for Gala Games. So that's what I'm looking at. If we continue to push, I'm like 50-50, honestly. Usually I try to be biased towards it pulling back or it pushing higher and have a more higher probability. But right now I'm really 50-50. Luckily, we're already in a trade in the Discord. So that's the next resistance. And if we do pull back from here, I will be giving another trade signal in this wave 2 pullback zone for my Discord members for $10 a month. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at. Make sure to sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders, everyone around the world, but especially those who are struggling to find a good exchange, hop over to BTCC. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with my subscribers only. You can also win AirPods and AirPod Pro Max. My Discord is $10 a month. All links are in the description as well as in the comments. What's going on here? So my Discord is $10 a month. And with the $10, you get access to my VIP rooms for daily crypto analysis for many pairs. My exact trade setups, we're currently in Ethereum, Gala, XRP. Crypto news, member profits, HODL all plays. As you can see, the members, some of the members are crushing it. My HODL all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We just hit our take profit 1 on our silver trade. Looking to get into gold. We're doing well on USD, JPY. So you can trade crypto. You can trade Forex for $10, which you spend every single day. All links down below. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.